Okay, so very quickly I'm going to show you how I created the three-layered image for my nephew's football hoodie. So this is the image I had already created it, and his mother wanted three colors. She wanted it to be green, gold, and white. So first what I did was duplicated it. I control right arrow, and I'm going to change the color of that one to gold or yellow, whatever. I just need to see the three colors. I'm a little anal, so I like everything to be as I want to see it. So I'm going to bring that to the back because the gold is the first layer. Let me just move this over a little bit. So I'm just going to place it, the green on top, how I would like for it to look. So I just want a little bit of a shadow. So I'm going to copy this green one again. I'm going to put this to the side. Now I'm going to highlight both images and go to the side panel, the modify tab, and I'm going to subtract. Now this is my bottom layer. Now I like to do it this way because then you don't have overlapping vinyl on your, project, your shirt, sweatshirt, whatever, and it adheres better, because you really shouldn't layer them on top of each other so much. So I grouped that, so now I have my bottom layer. So I'm going to come back over here and do the same thing again. This time I'm going to double this again. I'm going to control right arrow. I'm going to make this white. No, I'll use black because I can't see white on the background, but when I cut it, I'll know that it's white. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to place it where I want it. Okay, so I want it there, right? Okay, so that's fine. And then just so I can see what it's going to look like, then I'm going to put the top image on. So let me move this gold a little bit. Okay, much better. So you can barely see it, but you see it, right? So now I'm going to move that gold. Let me come out for a second, make sure I get the gold one. I'm going to move that out of the way. So I'm going to copy it again, control right arrow. I'm going to grab my image, my second layer and my top layer, and I'm going to, let me move that the way. Select them, and again, I'm at the modify. I'm going to click subtract. Now I have my second layer. I'm going to group all of that together. Now to do that, I just right clicked, and then I got the group. So now I have 1, 2, and 3 pieces. You can cut these all separately and layer them as you have planned to originally. So let me just fit it back. Those are the first 2 layers, and let's get it where we want it. There you go. I'm going to group it all together. One whole piece. So when it comes onto the shirt, you're going to have the 3 pieces. Now, I did have them kind of close together, but you could create more of a, make it look a little bit, have more depth to it. Let me get my words together here. By moving it around, but you have your 3 pieces, so it's all depending on how you want it to look. Okay, hope this helps.